in my previous video we got this awesome body for wheels drive, and it did very good with a lithium battery which does 15 milliamperes per hour and so on, 3 and 7 volts. This is pretty nice. And in this video we're gonna unbox this new car. What is 6 wheels drive? I don't know really, but we'll see. Let's unbox it and we'll try it out. Remote and we got some stuff in here. I don't know for what we need it, and maybe for what I don't know. Let's turn this car on, and remote is here. That is, oh my gosh. Why do we need this button for? It sprays smoke, but wet smoke, very nice. And high speed, still really nice. Now, guys, let's see what do we need this for. Maybe we should put water in here. Let's find out. Take some water. We'll put it like this here. Oh, there we go. Nice. Let's do this. There we go. And oh my gosh, steam! Because a very cool feature what we don't have in this car. So life is here. Dry. Well, it's okay for this car. The steam is very cool. Okay, let's see what battery do we have in there. Okay, we need a screwdriver. Look, we got a screwdriver here, and let's see what battery do we have here. Lithium battery, of course. Okay, this is Cuban with blue. Something is suspicious in those batteries. The people wants us 800 milliamperes an hour, probably. Oh no, it's more powerful than this one. This one is 500 milliamperes an hour, and this battery is looser than this because this is new and it's more powerful. So more common, more power. And this means that this car is very good with this lithium battery. This is all. Let's put this back and we'll test it. Only 2 wheels drive, 1 water because we are connected, and it's gonna be better because well, we can get another motor here, but with only 2 wheels here, and this would be very hard to make those wheels drive also with a motor. But we can probably make a motor here because well, it's gonna be more easy than here. Okay, let's test it. Let's go and test it. Bye. Well guys, we are outside, so let's test this car and one. We'll compare both of them and see who is better. Okay. Oh, that's nice. So let's put the water in. So that's my chemical. Nice. And oh my gosh, stop! Stop! One of them, but I want to thank you for the cool feature with the smoke what I love very much. It's the only one I have smoke, and the only video I have a cat in it. Okay, there's the buggy what probably in the last video we got it well. It was very powerful and so compare them together, and then we'll go up on this hill. Okay, let's try this car first. Oh my! Oh my! Yeah, we're doing it now. Let's look. This car now. Okay. I could be very slow. This is very fast. Okay, let's try this car's Justin Road. There we go. That's fast. Oh my god. It feels so nice. And this car's quite fast. And it is let's do a drag racing and see who's the fastest. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Well, this buggy was fast because it's fast buggy. You can hear. And we got the smoke. Guys, look. This car was very fun. I love it. And the smoke is very cool too. Look, but when I wanted to recharge the lithium battery from this pack, I always turn it like this, and the water goes down, and usually it makes something wet. And that's why I make this rear wing for this engine here, what's like a turbo engine. I don't know what is it. Maybe it's the whole engine. What could it be? And I made this super wing in Fusion 360, and I started from this, from the sketch. This was the sketch. Okay. Oh. You can see it now. So you can see it properly. You can see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 circles here, and then we got the extrude, and we got 4 extruders, and yeah, there we go. We got this thing with 4 extrudes, and yeah, it is stairs here, those things, and they just go into this hole here, and as much stairs you want, like you can make 6 and 1, 6 and 2, and etc. Like this, and I made like this 4 stairs, and now after that I made this wing here, and then I made those things what are holding the whole wing, like we got on another wing here, if you can see this one, and we got some things there to hold up the wing. And yeah, this is already wing. Okay, you can turn on the sketches, and now this is how it looks. You can see those angles here on both sides, what I made it just to look more better. It looks awesome. It fits into the whole awesome, yeah, into the hole here. Oh yeah, that's it. Guys, look what I have. This is the rear wing for this ultimate body. What I like because of the steam and other features in here. Look, it has some steps here. What are fitting into the hull of the engine there. And now we'll try this wing and fit this in. Okay, and yeah, it sits in there perfectly. Okay. Oh no, my MacBook. Oh, nothing happens because it's waterproof and my MacBook is safe, of course.